morning. Okay,
No
how is everyone? Yeah, I know. I'm waiting.
Why did you say morning?
Because it goes live and I say good morning.
Who's that?
Hi, lady on the land. How are you? Hey, Nikki.
No one's actually cooking.
Hey, bestie. Hey, Del. Hey, Amy.
Where's Amy?
Kate. Uh-oh. Hold on, Bert's calling me. Paddy, you take over. What have I done?
The other one's at washing now. Got water. I went to put my pants on.
Sorry.
That's alright. I'll reset it from now.
Sorry, Bet. Okay. Morning. Morning, Ruby. Okay. Has everyone got their ingredients? You too, Mel. How are you? I went to uni with Mel. Okay. We're outside. I lit the fire this morning. Paddy and I are going to do 2 batches, 1 batch each. I'm going to cook mine in the camp oven, just because I've got the fire going. The other one's going to be cooked in the oven at 170-ish. So, ingredients today. I'm just going to turn it around again. Okay, we've got, Paddy's station, my station, mixing bowl, whisk. You've got your flour, sugar, butter, eggs, milk, yes? And Paddy's, that's the camp oven there.
Yours looks way better than my setup.
Well, you can have mine set up. I'm quite happy to swap. Thanks, Paddy. Okay, so what we're going to do is a creaming method. When you're eating a recipe, you'll see butter and sugar, cream the butter and sugar. So we're going to go through that process and you're going to see what that looks like. So, Paddy, my beautiful apprentice, please join me. Come on, let's go.
No, you put me in a bad mood.
I put him in a bad mood this morning. Okay, you're going to put your butter and your sugar in. I'll put that. Hey, Luke. It's your teacher. Try to get Paddy to do some work. I'm joking, okay. He's grumpy. Alright, I'm stopping. Just smash that down, bub. So, because we're outside, the butter's a little bit hard. I did soften it beforehand. So I'm just going to use a metal spoon at the moment, just to smash that butter down. You can use an electric beater, okay? You don't have to use a spoon or a whisk, but I'm wanting, especially the little kids, just to have a go at cooking. And when they get used to using these techniques, they can do a lot more cooking at home. Okay? You want to take over that? Keep swashing. I need that spoon.
You've got it all stuck to the spoon.
Yeah, but you've got to blend the sugar and the butter together.
Yeah, but not to the spoon.
Hey?
Not to the spoon.
Why not?
Thanks.
What? That wind's picking up. Sorry. Hey, Jack. Okay. So, Eloise and Ruby, you're making a cake as well. Hey, Jack. Making a number 3 cake, Mum tells me. Okay.
They can't even see.
Oh, then move. Oh, sorry, guys. I'll move you down. Oh, yeah. Turn your oven on, people. Sorry. I'm just going to move you down. Here we go. Alright. So what I'm doing here, to get the kids, they're going to say, oh, my arm's sore. Get them to build the muscles up, okay? So the creaming method actually has to change colour.
Can you do this for mine?
No, you do. Here, take over this one. Okay, so it's not a competition. Let's just say I won. But here, do that one. Keep going with that one.
No, it doesn't need to be done.
It does. It needs to. You got to mix that sugar in, Paddy. Paddy, do it.
Do you want to be?
Do you want to cuddle? Bob, I love you. Harry and Ellie. Hi, Harry and Ellie. Oh, I got a hair in my eyes.
Who's Harry and Ellie?
That's cousin Jack's kids. So your second cousin. Second cousin Jack, is that how it works? Or third cousin? I don't know.
Is Jack your cousin?
Yeah.
Second cousin.
So her mum and Nan are sisters. Okay. See that? So if you want to, you can throw the whisk in. My butter's really quite firm because of the temperature outside. It's not as cold as what it has been. Hey Billy! How are you?
Billy.
What? You having fun at home? Hey Charles. Okay, now I'm going to do that for a bit longer. Make sure that all your sugar and butter is together. And if it takes, look kids, if it takes you a while, it takes you a while. There's no rush. I'm just rushing because I don't want to bore anyone through the screen. You want to swap?
You know it's stuck in the middle.
No, it is too hot. It's too cold outside, guys. Sorry. I'm just going to use this wooden spoon. That sugar's not dissolved yet either. So I'm just going to go a bit longer.
It's still stuck in the middle.
Well, get it out there. Use the spoon. Yeah. Thank you.
Oh.
How's everyone going? Oh. I'm going to go back to the spoon. So today in Dimboola we're getting to a top of 25 and tomorrow a top of 14. Which I won't be cooking over the weekend. I won't be, but we'll start again on Monday as well. Do you think Paddy should do it on Monday? Like keep doing the classes? I think you're really good at it.
Yeah, but I don't like it.
I know, but I like doing it with you.
I don't want to be live.
Anyway.
I don't mind doing it.
Who's cooking with you, Nikki? Hey? It's alright, babe. Babe, bub. Sorry. Hands are dirty. Coming back up. Okay. I got hair in my face. Okay. So the good thing with this basic mixture, yeah, it's a classic tea cake, but adjust it. So if you want a chocolate flavour, you've got berries, you're going to put that mixture in after you've made the actual dough. His mullet's okay. He loves his mullet. Huh? Chelsea from Tully. She hasn't seen your mullet yet. Okay. Alright, we're going to crack an egg. Or do you want me to slow down? Do you want to slow down? Hey Molly! Okay, I'm going to crack the egg. I'm going to bring you back down again. Oh, look at that cast iron. So, remember through the week how we have been speaking about cracking an egg? Keep practicing, okay? I'm going to go into a bowl. Do you remember... Oh, the connection's struggling. Shoot, sorry guys.
There's no connection out here.
No, I've got 3 bars.
Dude, that's just harder.
Hey? I'll just... Okay. Egg. You crack it on the edge, yeah? We're going to do it into a bowl because when we do it into a bowl, we can put it into the mixture. If we do it straight into the mixture, just in case the egg's not good or you get shell in there, it's easier to get it out from the bowl, okay? So I'm going to crack one egg. Paddy, come crack yours. Put that in the fire.
I can't crack it.
Have a go.
No, I can.
Is the connection still bad? Sorry guys. Dimbula. Well done.
Don't say well done. I don't even crack it.
Yeah. Cool. Okay, so you're going to mix that egg in. Use a wooden spoon or a metal spoon. If it's not working, just change your utensil. We're working with different weather elements out here. Okay. Daddy's got the whiskies winning.
You got a metal one.
Do you want this one?
No. Just think metal ones are easier to work with.
Okay, so when you're using a whisk, just try to use your wrist. So when you're using your wrist...
Is mine supposed to be this running?
Yep.
Why is yours hard?
Probably because of the metal. It's a reaction with the coldness of the metal. So rather than use your arm like that, okay, just use your wrist. Elbows in, yeah? And just your wrist.
The wrist is harder.
Being an apprentice, it was one of our jobs to whisk, like make mayonnaise, litres of mayonnaise, whisk your egg whites. I think the head chefs used to always hide the hand beaters just to not be so kind to us apprentices. I was training to be a chef. Okay.
Did you become one?
Yeah, when I was like 19. I left school when I was 16 and started my apprenticeship off and was qualified at 19.
And you got a job?
And now I'm nearly 40 doing cooking shows in the backyard of our mum's.
That's actually really bad.
I thought it was funny. Paddy doesn't like my jokes. Do you want to swap with?
No.
Cool. Okay, vanilla. Add your vanilla essence. If you've got vanilla bean paste, use that. As I said, I'm using what I've got at my mum's. And we're in ISO time, so... Okay, parents, you might have to hop in and give your kids' arms a break, but see how that looks. Ta-da! Okay.
Is mine finished?
Yep, you're going to add your flour.
Is that much flour?
Yep. And get your whisk out. When you're adding your flour, take your whisk out. Hey, bro! And no, don't use your whisk. Use this.
Why can't I use my
Well, you
whisk?
can use your whisk, but it's easier. It's easier when you are mixing the dry to the wet. Yeah. And then we're going to add some milk. And you can go back to the whisk. Go back to whatever works. What? How are you, bro? So my brother lives over the railway line behind us. About maybe, what do you reckon? I don't know, half a K. And I've been back in Dimbula for a week and a half and I haven't seen him yet. So I'm struggling a little bit with that. I miss you, bro. And my nephews and my niece. Oh, yours looks really good. Paddy's looks better than mine. Why is mine like that and yours is like that?
Because of the metal whisk. Different reality.
Did everyone hear that attitude I just got? Alright, cool, done. Paddy, can you show yours?
Alright.
Can I pick your
Yeah, you can grab the camera.
So, there's Paddy's. Mine's a little dry and I've left the milk inside, so I'm going to have to add some more milk to it before Hey Liam! Oops. I have to add some more milk to mine when I go back inside. Okay, so we've got a banana, Paddy.
I'm doing chocolate.
Wants to use the love heart shape.
No, I don't.
Cake tin.
No, I don't.
Hey?
I don't.
Alright, you've always got to grease your tins, yeah? Okay. So, Mum hasn't got what people are used to is the release spray. Mum doesn't have that, so I'm just going to use butter. So just
Why do you put it on the outskirts?
Hey?
Why do you put it on the outskirts?
The reason you grease things is so when you bake...
Is this a thing too?
Which one?
Cake.
Yeah.
Is this a cake thing?
So the cake doesn't get stuck. If you have got paper, baking paper, make sure that you just cut out... I know you haven't got a love heart shape, but I'm just doing this for a bit of fun for us. Is just cut out the paper and put it down the bottom.
Where are we putting the butter?
Just around like that.
Everywhere.
Yeah. Birdie's not making an appearance today. Hey Bronny and Cole, or Cole, whichever. You want to come say hi, Birdie? He doesn't. Okay, so I've got a banana. If you're adding flavouring, do it now. So if you want to make a chocolate one, add like a tablespoon of cocoa, some chocolate chips, a bit more vanilla maybe. Banana, I'm going to smash the banana up into mine and add a little bit of cinnamon.
I want chocolate.
Paddy wants to make chocolate. Cool. I haven't got any.
Isn't that chocolate there?
That's cocoa, yeah.
I'll use cocoa.
Just add
The rest.
the spoonful.
Two teaspoons.
Hey Reese! Haven't seen you for ages, buddy. You making the cake?
Who's Reese?
Reese.
Oh, Reese.
Yeah.
One more.
What flavour are you guys? Is anyone making any different flavours? No, not too much.
It just got too much. It's going to taste nice and
Oh my goodness.
bitter.
Okay, cool. Go for it. It's your cake. Go
Okay.
for it. I'm going to add my banana. I just got cocoa on my face.
Now what?
Mix it.
With the whisk?
Yeah. Ugh.
There we go.
Ah, beautiful. Choc berry. Ooh. That sounds delicious.
This is how we do it.
So Alice, I didn't have any coconut either, so I can't do coconut, but I'm putting banana and cinnamon in ours. Mine. Okay, cool. I'm gonna mix that. We've got a mess here.
Mine looks good.
Yours looks really good. Look at Paddy's.
I can't see.
I've got like stuff all over my hands. I've got a tea towel. Friday-itis. Easy. Ah. He's getting into it.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm
I
just
love you. I just want to cuddle you.
No. Stop being weird.
Mixed berries here. Awesome. Okay. Which are you going to put in that tin? Do that. We'll make a little love heart cake for Nan and Bert.
I don't want to make a love
They
heart.
can have-
You can make your banana one. I'm putting mine on my tin.
Alright. Well, I'm baking yours in the camp oven though.
No.
Yeah.
I want the normal oven.
What that? This won't fit in the actual camp oven.
Oh, that sucks, doesn't it? Mixed berries here, we're happy with that.
That's right, Bob. You can put that in too.
No, mixed berries.
No, I'm saying that. That's good.
Yeah, I just want to make sure it's 100%
Let's all take a moment. It's amazing what you can find at Mum's house. Okay. Is that going to fit in there?
We need to go
Oh,
shopping.
it is too. Look. It's in there.
We need to go shopping.
For what?
stuff.
Can you
Snacks.
put yours in here?
Do I just like
Pardon?
put it in there? I want your banana getting in it. God.
So I'm just packing up. Make sure your kids
Please don't touch that.
clean up. Okay. The quickest way to always clean up is put all your ingredients away first. Okay.
Do not touch
Get all your
that.
dirty dishes together. Put it at the sink. Yeah.
Don't
You want
touch
some
it.
help? I can't help him. He's me.
Because I'm gonna eat that.
Put all your dirty dishes over at the sink. If you've got a dishwasher, I'm very jealous. We don't. You're looking at it. Wash the dishes, dry them, put them away, and make sure you wash the benches. Yes? So I'm just going to pop you back down here because you can see what Paddy's doing.
I get to lick the ball.
You do. Show.
Oh, I'm doing it. I didn't show you.
Anyway, I'm putting holes in the So, I must say, it's the first time I've ever baked a cake into the camp oven. I don't know whether it's going to work. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But if it does, it's going to be amazing.
Ah, now the flies start to come.
Flies
Is that
are just
even
coming
enough mix?
Yeah. So spread it around. Well done, mate.
It's not enough.
Pardon?
It's not enough.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be filled to the top. No.
If you've got a spatula, use a spatula around the bowl now. We don't have a spatula here. But I know the kids want to eat it. It's up to you. If you want them to eat it, eat it. Paddy's going to lick that whisk.
Mum, you got your stupid banana in it.
It's not stupid. Don't hate on my banana.
No, stop. You put your banana in it.
Okay. Okay. So, what am I doing? I'm not cooking tomorrow or Sunday. We'll
Or
cook
Saturday.
again. Yeah, that's tomorrow. So Saturday and Sunday.
Friday is the weekend.
Friday's today.
Yeah.
Can I finish talking?
Yeah. Why are we cooking today?
I said, give me strength.
Yes, I get to lick everything. Bye.
Paddy, come say goodbye first, mate.
Goodbye.
No, come and say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Oh, take the dishes in if you could, please.
I got my own. You can carry your own dishes.
Yeah, so not cooking Saturday or Sunday. Monday, I'm thinking, I saw Jamie Oliver do a deep pan pizza, so I reckon we might do that.
There's some
Make
here.
a pizza on Monday, and
Get in there.
I'll come up with some ideas for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to help the planning for you guys as well, for groceries. I am trying to keep it at staple ingredients as well. And yeah, thank you for 5 days of awesomeness and cooking with me. I've enjoyed it. I hope you guys have too. Yay! Paddy's excited.
I'm excited for eating chocolate.
Okay. Ciao for now. Bye.